Hello guys, in this video we'll see full outer join as part of SQL joins. So let's jump into the video. I'll just enable laser. Yeah. So guys who have not seen the left outer join and right outer join, please check it out, because full outer join is basically a combination of left and right outer join. Okay, so I'll just give the links in this video description. Just go through it and then watch the full outer join, because if you don't understand left outer join and right outer join, full outer join would be difficult. So this is basically combination of both left and right outer join. Okay, so in left outer join you will have the left table as main table, and right table will be compared with the left table's record and it will pull out. For right outer join you will have right table record as main table, and left table records will be pulled out and compared and displayed against the right table. But for full outer join, it will take both the tables and all the records. Okay, so there will be a situation wherein or a scenario wherein the table A's record may not be present in table B, or table B's record may not be present in table A. In this case, what it happens is it will display table A's data if table and it will check for table B's data. If it is not there, it will print null for that particular row. Similarly, table B's record, it will check in table A. If it is not there, it will print none. So ultimately you will have view of the entire two tables in a single shot. So basically it combines left and right joins. So in detail we'll go through it with the example. Okay, so here the syntax doesn't have much of a difference except this, wherein the select and from table other things remain same. Only the left or right keyword is replaced with full outer join. Here also the outer keyword is not mandatory. You can use full join straight away. So in the example I've used the same supplier A and supplier B table with full less option. Okay, full outer join. So let us see how it functions. Okay, so let us quickly run through the supplier tables. So supplier B table has 7 records, supplier A table has 8 records. Okay, now let us run the full outer join and see. Okay, so the result is like 11 rows. So it will uniquely identify all the records of supplier A and B and it will list it out. Okay, so uniquely there are 11 records which are unique in both the tables, so it has been displayed. And the first two columns are supplier A table, second last two columns are supplier B table. So whatever records are in table A, supplier A, has been printed, and wherever the records have been not matched with table B, supplier B, has been printed as null. Similarly, the supplier B's table records have been printed, and wherever it is not matching, it has printed the null for supplier A. So this is how the full outer join works. So ultimately it's a combination of left and right table joins. Okay, so this is how a full outer join works. So this gives a overall view of all the data present in both supplier A and supplier B. So if you have some use cases wherein you have both the tables to be viewed in a single report, you can use this kind of joins, so which specifies everything in a single output. Okay, so that's all guys. If you like the video, just click like and plus subscribe. Let's catch up on the next video for self joins. Thank you.